Hello guys, I am from Gaugraj Maths. I shall explain question number 10, exercise 6.1. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. Filter. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground, comma, away from the wall, comma, at the rate of 2 meter per second. Filter. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? Note of interrogation. Here I shall write solution. First of all, I shall make a diagram based on this statement. Here it says a ladder 5 meter long leaning against the wall. Let this be the wall. A CB wall. Y centimeter, Y meter. Y. A ladder 5 meter long, 5 meter long a ladder AB is 5 meter long, leaning against the wall. Bottom of the ladder at point B is pulled along the ground, away from the wall. This is the wall, at the rate of 2 meter per second. From this to this place, B is going to be moved away from the C. How fast its height will be when the ladder, the foot of the ladder at point B will be pulled away from the point C. The height AC will decrease. Ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at 2 meter per second. So this is 2 meter per second. Distance from this place to this place, let x be there. 2 meter per second away. How fast height of wall decreasing? Y will be decreasing. How fast height on the wall will be decreasing? Foot of the ladder at a time, the value of x is 4 meter away. So this is the question. So here I shall write, let AB equal to 5 meter be a ladder, be a ladder. Let AB equal to 5 meter be a ladder, and YB height, YB height of wall, YB height of wall at which the ladder touches. Also let x be or distance from point C to point B. the bottom of ladder touches at point B. The bottom of ladder touches at point B. This is the case. Let AB be a ladder and Y be height of wall at which the ladder touches at point B. Also, let X be the distance from point C to point B. The bottom of ladder touches at point B. Here I shall write using Pythagoras theorem. We shall get, using Pythagoras theorem, we shall get x square plus y square equal to 5 का whole square, implied that x square plus y square equal to 25. We shall get y square. This is y square. X square plus y square equal to 25 we have got. Now again I shall write this thing you have got. Now here it says ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 meters per second. Here I shall catch, since ladder is pulled ladder at point B is, the ladder at point B is pulled away from point C. Ladder at point B is pulled away from point C. Then BC is equal to X, pulled. The rate of change of BC is equal to X with respect to point time t equal to rate of change of BC equal to X with respect to t. We shall get dx over dt. It is given equal to 2 meter per second. Here dx over dt means distance BC will be changing with respect to time t. So here x is distance, the distance over time 2 meter per second. Rate of change of BC equal to x with respect to time t, dx over dt you have got. Now again, accordingly, here you will get y will be decreasing. So dy over dt you have to judge what dy over dt comes out to be. Though it is not given dy over dt. Again I shall write dy over dt is equal to what you have to find out. Here it says how fast. How fast means time t. Its height means y. The height will be decreasing with respect to time t. Dy over dt we have to find out when x equal to 4 meter. So we have to find out dy over dt at x equal to 4 meter. To find out dy over dt at x equal to 4 meter. So here I have got the Pythagorean equation x square plus y square equal to 25. Here I shall write implied that dWrt t we shall get 2x dot dx over dt plus 2y dot dy over dt comes out to be 0. This thing we have got 2x dot dx over dt plus 2y dot dy over dt equal to 0 we have got here. So I shall put the value of dx over dt equal to 2 I shall put here, and dy over dt you have to find out. So here I shall write implied that 2x will be written as it is in bracket dot dx over dt equal to 2 meter I shall take from this place. So here write 2 equal to plus 2y dot dy over dt equal to 0. This thing you have got. And now you have got implied that dy over dt equal to 2 to the 4, so minus 4x over 2y I shall write comes out to be dy over dt equal to minus 2x over y we have got. Dy over dt equal to minus 4x over 2y, dy over dt equal to minus 2x over y we have got, because 4 will be divided by 2. 2 to the 4 minus 2x over y we shall get. Now what we'll do next? Next I shall write here 2y dot dy over dt, that is okay. Now you have to find out the value of dy over dt, where you have got the value of x, you have got 4. The value of x you have got. Now I shall find out the value of y, what the value of y will be. If I put the value of x equal to 4, the y of value we have find out. So now I shall use this theorem x square plus y square equal to 25. In this value I shall put the x equal to 4. So here you will get 4 का whole square comes out to be 16 plus y square equal to 25. Implies that y square equal to 25 minus 16 comes out to be 19. we shall get y equal to 3. So we have got here dy over dx equal to minus 2x whole over 3. The value of y I shall put here 3. Implies that dy over dt at x equal to 4. So here write x equal to 4 comes out to be, here I shall write 4 minus 2 4 over 3. We shall get minus 8 over 3. dy over dt at x equal to 4, we have got minus 8 over 3. Y that is meter per second. Here minus sign shows that height of the wall will be decreasing. So here we have got final result, we have got implied that dy over dt at x equal to 4, we have got minus 8 over 3 meter per second. That will be correct answer you have got. Here minus sign shows height of the wall will be decreasing when the foot of its ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. This will be correct answer you have got. This is the proper explanation of question number 10, exercise 6.1. Now I shall check the answer from the key point here. Here we have got dy over dt at h equal to 4 equal to minus 8 over 3 meter per second. Here just I check the unit here. Here it is written, everywhere meter is written. Everywhere meter is written. Everywhere meter is written. Why centimeter it comes out to be? Unit will be in meter. This is correct. Okay guys, thanks.